Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Decentraland mana against Bitcoin and Decentraland mana against USDT. We hit the targets from yesterday and now we want to see if we can go even higher or not. Before we begin, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the comment section and in the description down below. What you will get is to trade 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, and many other benefits. So try it out. You can cancel anytime you like. Let's go and proceed quickly into the Decentraland mana against Bitcoin chart. Right now, you can see that we found a very important resistance level. It is the 0.618 golden ratio from the Fibonacci extension, starting from this bottom, ending up to this top and to this bottom as well. You can see that before we had a little bit of a resistance back then. Then we were having a resistance around the 0.5 area, and then we made it as a support level moving forward to the 0.618. In case we go higher, we can move to the 0.408753. But for now, we have a very high risk due to the fact that we have the RSI into an overbought situation as well. You can see that on the 4-hour frame, that is. The commodity channel index into an overbought as well. Same with the stochastic RSI and the Fisher transform. If we go to the daily frame, you will see that first of all we hit the 0.618, in which is a very important and extreme resistance level. Can we go higher? Yes, but at this moment you need to realize that we also have a very high risk on the daily commodity channel index as well, stochastic RSI as well, and of course the Fisher transform. So we have a very high risk and you should be really careful for the time being. In case we go upwards, we can go to the 0.308753, and from there we might be having the last swing high and get down. So let's go to mana USDT chart on the price analysis. Right now what I have done is I have drawn another Fibonacci extension level, this time more of a short term, from this bottom to this top and to the bottom we formed back on 16 November. And what is going to happen is that we found resistance level almost at the one you can see Fibonacci extension to. Other targets that we could have is that we could draw a fib from this top to this bottom, and you can see that we have two targets, the 4.05 in which we had and the 4.21, almost hitting the 4.34 around there. You can see the highest was 4.3273 in Binance platform. So you can see that right there we didn't close above the 40.22, and that's why we moved a little bit downwards. Decentraland mana is looking very good against Bitcoin as well, but have in your mind that we are having this resistance level for mana against Bitcoin. That's why you need to be patient right now and do not make any rush moves. If you want to know the next price targets, yes, we can go to the 4.90, maybe going above 5 Tether USD. If you want to find some important resistance levels on the midterm, for example, I would draw the fib from this top right there, ending up to this bottom right here. You can see that we have the 5.56. It will be easy to do that if we go to the 0.408753 and Bitcoin goes upwards a little bit, has a major swing high on the short term. Then it will be very possible to achieve that. For the time being though, it is always necessary to look after this resistance level right here, and of course have in your mind that we must break it. If you draw the fib from this top to this bottom right there, you can see that we are closer. It is always necessary to know that we have the 4.36, in which is also the Fibonacci extension. So if we draw back the Fibonacci extension, you will see that, and from this bottom right here up to this top and to this bottom right there, you will see that right now we are at the 0.5, and we have as our next price target the 0.786, 5.50. So it is a very strong resistance level, but we have many levels to close above. For example, this one right there is a very important resistance level. You shouldn't underestimate it. And once we close above, then I think we will be finding a minor resistance in between those two targets, the 4.97. We will break it easily above. We might correct a little bit here. We will break easily above and go to the next target, which is the 5.55. But for the time being, we need to close above the 4.30 to 4.36. And then you can go to the next price targets, and you can see the next price targets are a little bit of the 4.80 to 4.97, our previous all-time high, and then from 4.80 we will eventually go to 5.54. Okay, but you can see the next price targets on the short term. You can see in which price we have to close above and the risk we have for Decentraland mana against Bitcoin chart for the time being. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below and in the comment section. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.